Some of these guys going in there on the Kia Telluride are literally going in there all pumped up, and they're coming out with bruises on their eyes from how badly they're getting beat by the dealers. And I genuinely feel bad. Most of the negotiation that's happening on the Kia Telluride is happening from above MSRP down. And if you're not savvy enough, if you don't know how to shop around to multiple dealers, this may actually happen to you. So just recently, I've just partnered with SaveOnMyAuto.com because I'm not able to be all across the US. It's not possible. So in order for you to be able to get the most aggressive price on an SUV like the Kia Telluride, you gotta have multiple dealers involved, and I can't stress this enough. So by visiting SaveOnMyAuto.com, what you can do is you just enter basic contact info, have a few dealers contact you, and just be aggressive with what you're asking for. The link is in the description, and right now, what I'm gonna do is give you all the negotiation tools that you need so that you can negotiate your best deal on the 2020 Kia Telluride SX all-wheel drive. What is happening, guys? Ari here with Boston Automotive Consulting. Here today to talk about the 2020 Kia Telluride. I'm going to be focusing on the SX all-wheel drive, and the MSRP that I've got picked out for tonight's negotiation guide is $46,890. And before I dive right in, if you're logging on to one of my videos for the very first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ari Janessian, and I run a car buying service called Boston Automotive Consulting. We help our clients achieve the very, very best deals on brand new cars. And the whole goal of this YouTube channel is to give car buyers all the negotiation tips that they need so that they can land the very best deals on cars and SUVs such as the 2020 Kia Telluride. So if you haven't already and you enjoy solid how-to videos, especially when it comes to negotiating brand new cars, please consider subscribing. Diving right in, guys. So the Telluride that I've got picked out, as I mentioned, $46,890 with a markup from invoice to MSRP of 5%, guys. So realistically speaking, like I said before, a lot of people are going in there, and some of these dealers are tacking on $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 above MSRP. As in the MSRP that they're working with, they tweaked it so that you're seeing a few grand over what the actual MSRP is. You gotta make sure that you see the window sticker price and you're negotiating down from there. And if I could suggest, if you're anywhere close to 5% off of this price, then you're doing fantastic. So right now, Kia is offering two different scenarios. One of them is a promotional 1.9% at 60 months. However, there's no rebate if you're gonna be financing at the 1.9%. There's $1,500 in rebates if you decide not to take the 1.9, and if you decide to go up to 2.9%, you'd be able to benefit from an additional $1,500 in rebates. If you've got a Kia now, you get an additional $1,000, or if you own or lease one of these vehicles now, you'd be able to qualify for an additional $1,000. However, the loyalty and the competitive vehicle rebate can't be combined with each other. Keep in mind, guys, whatever I just said about loyalty and competitive vehicles, you can't actually use these two rebates if you're gonna be leasing, unfortunately. Actually, the most help that we've got right now is coming from Kia Motor Finance in the form of lease cash at $3,130, a 62% residual at 10,000 miles a year, and a 0.002 money factor. If we were able to get Invoice on the Kia Telluride, basically going after about like a $2,300 discount. That's all we're asking for here is $2,300, and giving just the inception fees due at start, like your first payment, acquisition fee, doc fee, registration, all that stuff due up front, we'd be talking about right above $500 a month, including sales tax. And guys, this is assuming that you guys actually got a discount on the Telluride. And I can't stress enough the importance of not relying just on one dealer, you guys. As I mentioned before, there's a link in the description to SaveOnMyAuto.com. What you'll be able to do is, within a minute, you'll have multiple dealers providing you quotes on the Kia Telluride, and having a bunch of dealers be involved in this deal, you'll be able to use all the variables in this video to save yourself a couple thousand, and having a bunch of dealers will give you that leverage to get you there. Working with multiple dealerships, guys, will put you in that position of power. That's going to get you that best deal on the Kia Telluride. I can't stress that enough. So guys, I hope that this video at least gave you a sense for what the Kia Telluride is going out for, whether you're gonna be purchasing or you're gonna be leasing. Hopefully some of you live in a place where they have some decent inventory that they're looking to move and you eventually get to the price that you're looking for. If you found this information useful and you wanna see more of these new car buying and negotiation tip type videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.